What do you believe are the specific tasks and demands of any ambassador to China?
Specific? What? Excuse me?
Okay, let me rephrase my questions. The Americans have a term for it. Ambassador Lee, what do you bring to the party? Why is it Domingo Lee that is to be sent to Beijing? Why not some experienced diplomat trained for the last 20 to 30 years by the Department of Foreign Affairs, having been assigned to several countries around the world, having established a network among government officials of many countries? Why Domingo Lee, who has never served officially as a professional diplomat in the Philippine Foreign Service?
That is a career one. I'm not a career.
Well, that's established. You're not career, obviously. So why do you feel that Domingo Lee will do better than a career like Ambassador Licaros or other ambassadors we have that have been working for so long in the diplomatic service and who have been trained?
Although I'm the president's choice. He intends to choose non-career to the post, and I happen to be his choice.
Yes. Yeah, Mr. Lee, I will repeat my question. Regardless of who the President handpicked for this position, the committee is asking you, what does Domingo Lee bring to the party? I mean, if we were in America, tinatanong ng tao, what is your contribution?
The President, as I understand, count trust and confidence most.
Trust and confidence. All right.
And he knows what my experience was for my 50 years.
Trust can be divided into two parts, no, Mr. Ambassador. I trust that you're honest, and I trust that you're competent. Sometimes it doesn't mix. You might be competent but dishonest. You might be honest but incompetent. Which part did
for the
Pinoy
President,
say?
I think trust and confidence, all this I have.
He trusts your competence.
He trusts me and trusts with my competence.
Yes, because I have no doubt that he trusts your honesty, your integrity. What I am trying to determine is the level of your competence, the level of your experience that you bring to public office, that you bring to the position of ambassadorship to Beijing. And if there were others who would be able to serve more ably in that position, given their long and vast experience and training in the field of diplomacy.
Your Honor, that should be the choice of the President. I cannot
Mr.
comment.
Ambassador, that is not my question. And if you don't understand my question, you might have difficulty understanding the signals that you might inadvertently pick up in Beijing, which you're supposed to report to the headquarters of the Department of Foreign Affairs. Halimbawa, wala si Pinoy sa picture. Bakit po si Domingo Lee ang dapat iluklok doon sa Beijing?
That is the competence count when at that time. So I think I have the competence of being with it.
Mr. Lee, you have not proven any particular field of competence in the area of diplomacy. Nothing. Except that you fixed some overstaying Filipinos in Taiwan, and you also charmed
I have
the former head of the Bureau of Immigration to allow overstaying Chinese to remain in the Philippines. That's all you've done. And those certainly are not, to me, personally, and probably to most of the members of the committee, if not all, qualifications for you to be appointed to Beijing, which, in our minds, would be the most critical diplomatic post in the next 10 to 20 years.
Your Honor, I've been contacting with several countries' leaders. I cannot mention it in this short statement. Even the Singapore president now, the son of Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, I have presented my photos. Those I don't have it with me. It's already submitted. The president of Lee Kuan Yew now, the son of Lee Kuan Yew, is the president whom I have met before, and there are even other. At that time, not even they have no position. They are now in a high position. Even in China, when I have visited there, they become very high-ranking.
Actually, Mr. Ambassador.
But I did not put it on a newspaper like other people. Publicity. I did not receive any single centavos. Even the 1 pesos, I did not have it. I don't expect it.
Actually, Mr. Ambassador, socially, anybody can meet anybody, and that would certainly not signify competence whatsoever. So we'd like you to convince the committee that you do have some original ideas, that you can think out of the box, that you have made some proposals, which to us would at least signal that you have developed some form of competence in the area into which you're about to intrude. But so far I have heard almost nothing
We have
that
so
would
many
qualify you.